In today's fast-paced business world, staying ahead of the competition is crucial. But with so many new technologies emerging, it can be overwhelming to know where to focus your efforts. That's where artificial intelligence comes in. AI has the power to transform your business, from data analytics to customer engagement. But many business leaders are unsure of how to harness its potential. That's why we've created AI for Business Growth, unlocking new opportunities and driving success. In this course, you'll learn everything you need to know to get started with AI. Our expert instructors will guide you through the basics, different types, and real-world applications of AI in business. You'll gain practical strategies for implementing AI to drive innovation, efficiency, and customer engagement. By the end of the course, you'll be able to develop a strategic plan for AI implementation and evaluate potential risks and ethical considerations. Whether you're a business leader, manager, or professional, this course is designed for anyone interested in unlocking the potential of AI for their business. Enroll now in AI for Business Growth, unlocking new opportunities and driving success.